So here we are in Olympia, Washington. Olympia is about 3 hours south of Seattle. It's a small town, capital of the state of Washington, located on Mud Bay. The interesting thing about the location of Olympia is it has access to the Pacific Ocean through Puget Sound. The result, the people of Olympia built an outstanding port operation that provides services to Asia, South America, and other ports of call. Let's go over and see what's going on. People always ask, what do engineers do? Well, more than anything else, engineers build machines for specialized purposes, like this log-carrying truck. So after the trees arrive, they have to be sorted and staged for processing. In any business, this is called material handling. Notice again the specialized machines. Buyers always want to buy for the least amount possible. Sellers always want to sell for as much as possible. Washington State provides scalers to objectively evaluate the value of each log, therefore setting a fair price. Now this is the actual business transaction. This is where the value of the product transfers from the logging company to the company in Japan that purchased the logs for their building industry. This is similar to a concept called freight on board in all transportation companies. Each one of these log bundles weighs 20 to 25 tons, and as they're placed on the deck, they begin to affect the stability of the ship. There's a concept that they call roll period, which is really important when you think about the center of gravity of a ship that is loaded below deck and above deck, especially when it's in the ocean and a large wave could lean the ship to its far left or its far right, therefore giving it the opportunity to capsize. So what they actually do is they measure the amount of time it takes the ship to return to its center after the log bundles are placed. Remember that truck that brought the logs in? And mentioning that engineers designed it for special purposes. After the logs are taken off, the truck is really too long to be safe on the highways. So the engineers designed a way to actually disconnect the rear wheel assembly, lift it up in the air, put it on the back of the truck, lay the tongue into a cradle on the truck cab, and shorten the truck so it's actually safer for the ride back to the forest. Now that is one really cool machine design. So there she sits, the La Vienne Rose, flagged out of Panama, loaded with 5.8 million board feet of Douglas fir and hemlock, headed to Japan.